Okay, now I'm going to kind of show you what we're doing with a fine crack. And in this case, it's the diamond gun. So you look at this is kind of a perfect situation for us. We got an area here on this side where it has fallen on the concrete, and here you've got a fine crack going through here. So what we're going to do is show how to patch with a crack patch. So for fine cracks below 1/8 of an inch, you're going to want to use our acrylic high performance caulk by a Caulk. And so this particular crack might be about 1/8, maybe a little bit more, but for visual reasons, we're going to show you how we do this. And it's a fine crack, it's real easy. There's nothing much to it. You just cut the tip off of the caulk tube, pull out the caulk. Done. There you go. Pop that. Pretty simple. How do we go over the crack and taking the flat point and we'll bring. That's all we're for. Thank you very much. Performance DIY.